Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PS5 Pro not connecting to the Wi-Fi and fix some of the network issues that you're having. So what we want to do is go up to the top and go to Settings and scroll on down to Network. Now, we want to go to where it says Settings and go to the right and go to Set up Internet Connection. Now, look at your currently connected internet. Make sure it is a maximum amount of signal strength. So if you only have like 2 bars under here, you're probably not close enough to your router and you're dropping your signal once or twice throughout your play session. So that is why you could be having lag spikes, or you're not simply connecting to your internet. So what we want to do is press Options under here, and we can check out the different Wi-Fi frequencies. So currently I have mine set to automatic, but 2.4 gigahertz could be a better option at further ranges. Then if you're a little bit closer to your router, 5 gigahertz and 6 gigahertz could offer some higher speeds. So you might want to go ahead and look at that as an option. You can switch back and forth and just test it out to see if you're having any kind of lag spikes or connection issues. Although the download speeds might be a little bit slower on 2.4 gigahertz, it could offer a more reliable connection. So just look at that and test out the internet by switching back and forth. So I have a few different routers at my house. I have 2 of them, and one offers 2.4 gigahertz and the other offers 5 gigahertz. So you might have some options within your router settings to switch it back and forth also. So go to your currently connected internet now and press Options on it and go to Advanced. Then we can scroll on down to where it says DNS settings and can switch this over to manual. So the first one we have is the Google DNS. So for the primary, type in 8.8.8.8, and then go to the secondary and type in 8.8.4.4. And then we can scroll on down to the MTU settings, and we can try a couple different MTU settings. So the first one I have is 1450, and then when I play Call of Duty, I like to have 1473 typed in. So we can try that as well. And then just simply go to OK and test your internet connection. Now, another DNS setting that we can add is the Cloudflare DNS. And this one we can type in 1.1.1.1 for the primary, and then go on down to the secondary and type in 1.0.0.1, and then go on over to OK. Now it's going to connect back up to my internet. And definitely go ahead and just test this out. And maybe you have like a concrete wall between you and the router. Go ahead and just check out all those different options. Make sure there's a clean line of sight to your router, or as many walls you can get rid of as possible. And sometimes people actually put their router or their modem and their entire setup behind a TV, and this could be shielding your signal strength. So just look at that. So let's go back to network. Then go to connection status and go to test internet connection right here. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.